December the 28th, Saturday, December the 28th, from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern, we're going to be talking about and walking alongside with you with business formation on setting up your business properly, identifying the correct classification code, the NAICS code, so that your business is going to be set up for a business credit the right way, right? We're going to be talking about and walking alongside with you with regards to setting your address up for your business, right? We're going to be walking alongside with you on the right way to set up your business phone number so that it can report to the 411 directory, right? We're going to be walking through to showing you the right way to establishing your tax ID. We're going to be walking with you to ensure that you establish your business domain, your email, and your website. This is important to ensure that you have all of this set up correctly. We're going to be, talking to you about business credit, because all of these steps are important to ensure that you set up your business the right way for business credit. And what we're charging for this workshop is $49. That's all that we're charging. So there's a payment link at www.bizsetup.imgtsol. So I want you to take note of this, write it down, go to that payment link and make your payment of $49.95. And again, we're going to have this workshop on December the 28th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Now, I can tell you right now, I can charge thousands of dollars for this workshop, right? I can easily charge thousands of dollars. But, it's the holidays. I know that my aspiring entrepreneurs, a lot of you are going to go out there and spend, money on gifts. I get that. And I can still charge $1,000. But the goal here, I want you to take the next step to get your business set up, get it set up the right way, and so that when 2025 rolls in, your business is already set up. And also, while you're setting up your business on the last couple of days of 2024, those expenses that you're starting up your business with, that's a tax deductible write-off because you're starting up your business. Those are business startup costs. So I encourage you to take advantage of this workshop. The other thing that you're going to get also on this, ladies and gentlemen, which I'll share with you on the next slide, is that we're going to have monthly coaching calls on the third Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern. So these monthly coaching calls are for my aspiring entrepreneurs and my existing business owners. And these calls are going to be important because on these calls, you're going to be able to bring your, concerns, any questions that you have about anything that you see that's going on with your business. This is going to be the opportunity for you to talk with me on the third Saturday of every month at 11 a.m. Eastern. And I'm going to address your questions and your concerns during those calls. It's going to be a 1-hour call. Now, for my aspiring entrepreneurs who sign up on Saturday, for the January call, you're going to be included in that call and you won't have to pay extra money for the January call. Because what's going to happen, right? For this call, the monthly calls that I'm having is $49.95 per month. Now, if you decide that on the coaching calls that you only need one call, that's fine. You can drop off at any time, right? But if you decide you're going to continually need calls, it's just going to be $49.95 a month. But for my aspiring entrepreneurs who sign up for the business setup call, who sign up for the business setup of setting up your business the right way, you're going to be included in the January call and you won't have to pay extra money for the January call. So you get the business setup and the January call that's included for that setup. Okay. Just want to make sure I noted that. And so what you'll start doing, if you decide you need additional coaching calls, you'll pay in February. That's it. But for my business owners who already have their business set up, your calls is going to be $49.95 a month. And again, you just pay as you need. And if you don't need, you don't pay. And again, the actual link for that is the www.bizcalls.imgtsol. And again, it's $49.95 a month, each month for those calls. So that's it in a nutshell. So I hope you guys, was able to document and write this information down And of course, this video is going to be offered on a replay where you can come back and watch the video and take the pertinent information to really make an intelligent decision for your business. But I really thank you for your time on today. Hope you enjoyed today's webinar, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas and enjoy. And we'll be talking to you soon. Looking forward to much success and doing business with you in 2025. Thank you.